everybody, Chris here, and we are going to go over the number 2 thing that you need to get a great Abanico Rasgueado, okay? The second attribute you need to really focus on. So hopefully you've watched Abanico Rasgueado number 1. If you haven't watched it, watch that one first. Just leave this video right now. Go watch that. I might be able to figure out how to put a link here somewhere. I'm getting a little bit better, but I'm not a fancy computer person. I play guitar, man. So anyway, if not, I will definitely have the link in the description below, amongst other things. So look for that, okay? So the number 2 thing that you really want to focus on after you have the number 1 thing. The number 2 thing is relaxation. So it is very, very common, and I've taught enough of guitar and martial arts to recognize that actually to just kind of put this, I categorize it with being a human, okay? So I say that to help allay any self-judgment on you, okay? This is now, I've kind of just accepted it that pretty much everybody does this. It is the rare individual that actually gets calm, and more poised as things and as pressure, as speed, as tension goes up, okay? That is the rare individual. Most humans, you get more tense with speed or anxiety. With Abanico, you have to go very, very fast. So it is almost, it has to be trained out. You have to train to relax. So this is number 2. If you want to get fast, once you have correct motion and correct mechanics, you have to really focus on your relaxation. And this goes in any music that you want to play that is fast. If you want to get faster at any technique, this is a universal principle that will apply to all of it. You have to learn to relax. As a musician, remember, we're playing music here, and music, when it goes faster, what does it do? It pumps you up. It gets you excited. So it's very strange for the person playing it. You almost have to detach yourself. You can show that you're getting into the music, but physiologically, your body is actually going more calm the faster you want to go. The faster you want to go, the more relaxed you have to be. Okay, so let's go over a little bit here when we go over this Abanico Rasgueado. Remember that you do not have to push down. So at whatever speed that you're at, whatever part you're practicing, whether it be just at very beginning mechanics, I really want you to, once you don't have to consciously think of it, once you have the mechanics memorized, I want you to concentrate on your breathing. I know this is really weird and we're getting into some Zen yoga stuff, but I'm teaching you this because my students have gotten more benefit from this than anything else, okay? So, breathe. Whatever speed you're at, focus on your breathing once you have this memorized. I'm doing a big E chord. It's an E power chord. It's not an E power chord, it's an E minor chord. No, it's an E power chord because I'm playing this too. So this is just 0, 7, 9, 9, open. Yeah, the top 2 strings are open. 0, 7, 9, 9, 0, 0. So that's the chord I'm playing. I just want you to focus on your breathing. I'm purposely trying to breathe loud. While you're breathing, I also want you to focus on the hopefully the lack thereof of tension. I want you to relax your face muscles, your shoulder muscles, your arm muscles. And just relax. Breathe. Whatever tempo you're doing this at. I mean, this is like a masterclass tip on getting better at Abanico Rasgueado and getting better at all of your techniques, okay? This will improve all of your techniques. If you're working and you've hit a plateau, make sure you're working on your relaxation, okay? Because it does no good to have extra tension. It's called antagonistic tension. If you have the, so if I'm trying to lift with my bicep and I'm pushing with my tricep down, it's going to make it very, very difficult to lift with my bicep, okay? You want to have that complete relaxation of the opposite, the opposing muscle group. We want to have complete relaxation in every muscle that is not being used to maximize the potential of what muscles we are using, okay? So we talked about efficient and quality of the biomechanics in Abanico number 1. Number 2, most important thing is to be able to relax and focus on your relaxation, and that's going to bring your speed through the roof. Not immediately, maybe immediately, but I can guarantee you that you will be able to go faster the more relaxed you are, okay? Whew. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I have a beautiful comment section below that I created just for you. I didn't create it. The YouTube, the magical YouTube unicorns did that. So anyway, thank you so much for signing in and for listening to my, if you're still here, I love you. Virtual hug. Let me know if you have any questions, any comments. That's why that's there, so we can have a little bit of a dialogue and I can help you out further. Let me know anything that you're getting stuck on, any other requests that you want me to address. Please let me know. Hit the subscribe button, hit those notifications. Every subscribe helps me out a ton. I super appreciate it, and wishing you tons of excess guitar with lots of success. Okay? Thanks so much. Get to practicing. Turn off YouTube. Get off YouTube. Go practice the guitar, man. Bye.